Welcome to Peering into Peers, a tool that helps product engineers inspect what other product engineers are customizing. As a running example, take a weather station SPL. This SPL is implemented using pure variants and serves to build a portfolio of web-based weather stations. The features that products might exhibit are sensors to measure wind speed, temperature and air pressure, languages in German and English, and finally warnings to warn of a gale and extreme heat coming. The development of the weather station takes place inside a Git repository. Let's have a closer look at the repository. The master branch holds the core asset baseline. Baseline version 1.0 serves as a product derivation point for the product teams. Now, product teams can create their own branches. A team has branched off master to derive a variant product for New York City. Another team has created another branch for Danosti City, and yet another one for Denmark-based weather stations. Each product team customizes the core asset base to resolve bug fixes or enhance the products with additional functionality. In this situation, product teams might want to peer in others' customizations during development. They might be wondering what have other teams done, and if they can reuse any of their developments. For instance, Team Denmark might want to peer into other product branches during development. This calls for version control systems to have a peering functionality. How can we help product engineers on this? We advocate using web augmentation techniques to enhance GitHub with this extra functionality. Let's access the weather station repository at GitHub. Say we are Team Denmark, and hence, we check out Product Denmark branch. See how a new button peering is now available for engineers. By clicking on this button, the engineer is redirected to an alluvial diagram. An alluvial diagram is an flow type diagram that links nodes together. On the left-hand side, we can see our product, Product Denmark. On the middle we can see the features Product Denmark is reusing, which are wind speed, English, gale, air pressure and temperature. The width of the link denotes the amount of changes in lines of code performed to each feature. On the right-hand side, we can see the products that have changed any of the features Product Denmark is reusing. Product Danosti and Product New York have changed wind speed and English features, respectively. If we place the cursor on the links, we can see a tooltip that describes the issues that products have resolved for each of the features. This alluvial diagram serves as an index to perform three-way comparisons. For instance, we might want to know how Product Danosti has customized the feature wind speed to respect to our version. This requires a three-way diff between versions of the asset in the baseline, in the Product Denmark, and finally, in the Product Danosti. By clicking on the link, the tool KDiff3 is launched to show these differences between these versions of the assets, but only for wind speed feature. The engineers can go back to the alluvial to inspect on other peers and features. Thanks for your attention.